Excuse me, are you the manager here?
Yes, miss, I am the manager. How can I assist you today?
Can we talk for a minute?
Of course. Is everything okay?
Not really, I'm not happy with my room.
Oh no, I'm sorry to hear that. What's wrong?
It wasn't clean and the air conditioning isn't working.
That's not acceptable. I really apologize.
I talked the front desk, but nothing happened.
I take care of it personally right now.
Thank you, I was starting to be ignored.
I understand. You deserve better.
Also, the towels were wet.
I have housekeeping replace everything immediately.
I appreciate that.
You're very welcome. We want you to feel comfortable.
Honestly, I was expecting better service.
You're right. Let me make it up to you.
How so?
Free room upgrade and a meal on us.
That sounds fair. Thanks for listening.
Thank you for speaking up. We'll make it right.